Hi, have 5 minutes? Let's make a page without my adhesive runner. Hi friends, Erica here, back with day 4 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. Today's prompt is leaves, and I have the wonderful Shannon Allor joining me today on both Instagram and YouTube, so please check her out below. Links are in my info box. Today I'm documenting a photo of my local neighborhood trees. This is actually the drive coming down the hill right before you turn into my home. And moving to the Pacific Northwest has just been a dream because the trees are just really magical around this time. So because this is the 3rd day I will be using a cut file, I wanted to add a little challenge to the mix. So I will be making this page without the use of my adhesive runner or any glue. So I'm getting started right now by placing one of the cut file wreaths I'll be using, and to add some contrast I'm taking this stamp set, which I got from the $2.50 bin at Joann's, and just stamping themes or topics of what is important about fall to me, or what kind of stands out, or what are the creature comforts of fall. So I have pumpkin everything, sweaters, bonfires, joy, plaid, and s'mores. The circle isn't exactly perfect, but the reason why I did it this way is so you could still see the stamping through the cut file wreaths. So I have this base wreath. I have one in pink, well, pinkish, more of a salmon I would say, and then to the right I have kind of like a brown warm tan color, and then this janky one that I think the cardstock was just a little bit too thin and it just broke in all sorts of places. So I am just taking some washi tape and securing it down in the meantime, because what I'm going to be doing is overlapping all of the cut files and sewing them together. Sorry, I just had a puppy jump on me. We just adopted 2 puppies. It was only supposed to be 1, but one showed up in Seattle without a family, so we ended up adopting her too. So now I am fussy blading this fall out. I believe it is, I'm trying to read from Echo Park, one of their wonderful fall collections. This is going to serve as my title piece. Then I'm taking this bit of gold washi tape, and I'm just going to place it down straight across just to sew, and then placing the fall on top of that. Now, something that I would have done differently is chosen different colors for the wreaths, because I think the salmon color and the brown color are maybe a little bit too similar and get a little bit lost. So I think maybe I would have chosen different colors. So now I'm going super slowly and just going around with my sewing machine. After one full circle, then I literally went around maybe like 7 times, and then I secured my title with black thread. I only did the L and the A because I thought it would be a little bit of overkill doing all of the letters. Now I'm taking the leaves that were left behind on the cut mat, and I'm just arranging them in a layered wreath style. Fun fact, I made my very first evergreen wreath last Christmas, and I definitely recommend it because it was really fun. So, oh, I know, I'm using scissors, right? It's super weird. I normally just use a craft knife, and so I placed that down towards the bottom, and now I'm just taking these stickers, and I believe they are from the Echo Park fall sticker book that I got and showed on my fall and Halloween haul video on Instagram, and I'm just layering them within the wreath and then going one more time around with my sewing machine, which unfortunately did get stuck halfway through, so the circle's not perfect, but it did secure everything just like I wanted. So there you have it, a page entirely made without any adhesive. Well, the washi tape had adhesive, but I had already secured everything down before even using it, so technically I'm still within the confines of my challenge. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!